Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. Now let me show you today's date and time. So today is 16th of October 2020 and currently time is 9:13 am. So we are waiting for the market opening and let me show you our today's watch list. So we are having Bajaj Auto, BPCL, HDFC Bank, ICI Bank, Sun Pharma and Tata Motors. So this is our watch list traders, and I will watch chart of each of these stocks, and whenever I will get any opportunity to trade, I will update you. So now I am pausing the video. So traders, here you can see that I have made an entry in Sun Pharma. I have sold 30 quantities in Sun Pharma with a risk appetite of 100, as we can afford only loss of 100 rupees. Now let us place our target and stop loss. So our stop loss is 493.85. and our target is 485.30. Okay, so we have sent our order and they have been placed. So here you can see traders, this is our target and this is our stop loss. So traders, as you can see here, we are trying to capture a small momentum towards downside. So we have placed our stop loss also here just above the swing high. Okay traders, so either it will hit our target or stop loss. Here our risk reward is also good. So let's see what happens here. We are in the trade, and when it will hit or either gain momentum on either side, I will update you. So now I am pausing the video. So traders, here you can see that it is going towards our target. So what here we will do is, now we will trail our stop loss to our cost price, so that we will be in a trade of no loss. We will only be booking the profit. Simple. We are not going to take any loss here. So we are trailing a stop loss to our cost price. So let us modify it, and now it has been sent. It is not modified yet. Let us try it again. Okay, it is modified. Okay, so let's close that and drop this tool to our cost price. Okay traders, so here you can see either we are booking profit or simple no loss. So that's our trade traders. So now we are waiting for our target, and when it will hit our target or stop loss, I'll update you. So traders, here you can see that our trailing stop loss got triggered, and we have booked no profit no loss. Simple. So that was our today's trade, as my rule is that I only take only one trade in a day. So that was our today's trade. Hope you learned something from this video and enjoyed it. So thank you for watching the video. Have a good day.